Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this as a child cabinet lock. We're gonna go ahead and give this thing a try. Let's see, how do we open up the bag here without everything spilling all over the place? Here we go. So it comes in this other bag. And then we have these contraptions here with tape and everything else. So we can tape it on. So it's like for a drawer or a cabinet or something like that. So we could put it on like this, and then it'll go into there. So let's see, how do we want to do this? Drawer or cabinet? Drawer. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this drawer and then we'll check it out. Okay, so like that. And then this piece. And it's got tape on it, but you're also able to screw it in. It has little holes for screws. So let's see, how do we want this thing to be? Right. I don't know if I've lined up it very well, but oh, I did. Oh, I'll hold it right down. Right there. Okay. Okay, so let me tape it on. Okay, so there, now I have it taped on. I'll show you what we got here. Okay, so here we go. We have the little lock piece here, and then we have the receiver in there. So then as I close my drawer, I didn't line it up exactly. Let me see. Gotta move it over a little bit. Is that, nope, I moved it the wrong way. Move it right to there. Is that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the way it works is I'll move this here, and then you see it clips on. So now I can only open the drawer that much until I push this down, and then I can open it up. So it kind of gives you that locking ability like that. And as you close it, you see it kind of clips into place there. So you just slide it closed, it'll close in, and then push that down to have it come out. So cool little lock. So if you need to keep the little prying hands off of things, that's a good way to do it. I will screw them in when I want to do it, and I will do it on cabinets that are down low, not a high drawer. But you get the idea. Totally awesome. Thumbs up. Very smart.